Hello students, let's start with our next practical of electronics measurements and instrumentation. The experiment name is use of Lissajous pattern for phase measurement. Procedure is same as the last practical. The only change is we are going to trace the pattern in observation table and calculate phase difference. In last video, we are finding the unknown frequency of generator using Lissajous pattern, and in this practical we are going to calculate the phase difference. There are two cases to determine the phase difference between two signals applied to the horizontal and vertical plates. Let's consider the one example for Lissajous pattern, and we are going to measure the phase difference between two plates. Let's consider this pattern. We are going to calculate x1 and x2 or y1 and y2. Let's consider the 0 is less than theta is less than 90 degree or 270 degree is less than theta less than 360. In this condition, the phase difference will be theta equals to sin inverse x1 divided by x2 or sin inverse y1 divided by y2. Another possibility of phase difference is theta equals to 360 minus sin inverse theta. From above given Lissajous pattern, we are going to take one example. In this pattern, x1 is 2.25 and x2 is 4.5. 2.25 and 4.5. We are going to put these values in an equation. Sin inverse x1 divided by x2 equals to sin inverse 2.25 divided by 4.5. We are going to answer as 30 degree. The phase difference is 30 degree. Another possibility is we are going to subtract the given answer from 360 degree. And 360 degree minus theta, that is 360 degree minus 30 degree equal to 330 degree. 30 degree or 330 degree, both answers are correct. Let's start with our practical. We are going to connect the two function generators and the frequency of known and unknown sources are given to the CRO. This is the pattern. We are going to calculate x1 and x2 of this pattern in second quadrant. Let's draw this in our observation table. Observation table is Lissajous pattern and unknown phase. The pattern is getting from CRO. This is the pattern. We drawn into the observation table Lissajous pattern x1, x2. We are going to calculate these from these fine lines by horizontal lines. From these, we are getting x1 as 2.8 and x2 as 3.4. Theta equals to sin inverse x1 divided by x2. Sin inverse 2.8 divided by 3.4. We are getting 55.43 as a phase difference. I am going to show the calculations. Shift plus sin. We are getting sin inverse on calculator. Bracket 2.8 divided by 3.4. We are getting phase difference as 55.43. Let's vary the frequency or amplitude, and we are getting another pattern on CRO. Let's calculate another phase difference for second quadrant. We are getting much time for stabilize this. Let's consider the second observation table like this. We are calculating x1 as 1.8, x2 as 2, sin inverse x1 divided by x2, sin 1.8 divided by 2, 60. We are getting phase difference as 64.15. We are calculating this for this quadrant. Thank you.